All right, so the first step is to create the actual file or folder that we're going to put all our scripts in and set up our Python environment. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but go ahead, create a folder on your system and click open folder here and then open up the folder. And then now, once you have a folder ready, you're ready to create some files. So let's go ahead and create our first few Python files. The first thing we're going to need is main. So if we go ahead and click new file here, this will open up and you go ahead and click on Python file because that's what we want to make. So it's going to start off as untitled and that's fine. We're going to go ahead, save this as, as main.py. And this could be app.py, main.py, whatever you want, but this is going to be your main application. Next, we're going to create a new folder and this is going to have our library scripts. So we're going to have one for, hold on, let me double check. I think it was called AI.py. And the next one is going to be gbot.py. Now you could name these whatever you want, but in main, when you import them, you're going to need to use the relevant names for that. And you'll know what that means in a minute. All right,